Hello my dear friends, and welcome back to Denise's Beauty Corner. So today I'm going to show you how I did this look from scratch, like from foundation until the eye makeup and everything. And I'm using only drugstore makeup in today's video. So I am going to call this a fun, mature look because it is colorful, but it's still suitable for mature skin. I am 32 and my skin is getting more and more mature for every year, and I have some lines that you will see when I'm zooming you in. I have some fine lines around my eyes and things, so that is why I feel comfortable calling this a mature look on a little more mature skin. I'm also super dry, so this routine is like for dry skin, I will say. It's working for non-dry skin also. But if you do have a mature, super dry skin, you will definitely feel so moist when you're doing this. You will not feel dry at all. So I do hope that you're gonna like this little tutorial for this mature, fun, colorful look. And if you do want to see more of this kind of tutorial things, let me know down below. Let me know what you want me to film, because I love to film tutorial, but I want to film the tutorial that you guys want to see. So let me know down below. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the thumbs up on this, because it really helps me out so I can be able to grow a little bit here and be able to monetize this channel in the future. But now we're going to jump right into the tutorial so you can see how you can get this look. So I hope you did like this video. Maybe you got some new inspiration, like something that I did that you are not doing in your routine, or I hope I could get you like something, so you got something out of this video. So I'm uploading here every Friday, so make sure that you're also clicking on the subscriber notifications so you do not miss out on coming videos here. And I hope I will see you in my next Friday video. So thank you so much for watching this time, and I see you next week. Bye!